Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about how to implement a data table into your website. So in case you don't know what a data table is, this is what a data table looks like. It's a table where you have list of data. So I have a list of data of a particular of a staff of staffs in a particular company, whereby their position, the office where they work, their age, the starting date of employment, and their salary. And also you could search through them, like pressing a keyword. Maybe I want to search for Bruno. Now I can just say Bruno, so you give me a person that has Bruno and just filter it out for me. And also the data table also gives you space to switch between pages. So you can see that the data table is a very useful library when you are designing a website. Maybe you are working on large data, when you are using maybe like a PHP or Node.js backend. Mostly in your backend, that's when you'll be using data table. So, or when you are displaying tables, sure, that's when you'll be using data table. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is to visit a website called datatable.net. So I can just type data table on my website. So if I type data table, it's supposed to take me to, okay, yeah, it's take me to the data table. So this is the link, datatables.net. So I'll click on it, then it loads. So yeah, it is. This is the website where you can get the data table library. Though it has other additional features apart from the one I explained. That is a feature whereby you can be able to convert your table to a PDF file, an Excel file, or whatever you want to convert it to, depending on whatever you want to convert it to. So for what I'm trying to explain, the basic installation of data tables, so I'm just going to go straight to the easiest one, which is the basic simplest one, sorry. So you can just click examples. That's how to go through it. So when you click example, you have this one whereby it gives you basic initialization. So if you want to start for bootstrap 3, 4, 5, foundation UI, bloomer, jQuery UI, material design, tailwind css, depending on the type of table you want or the type of framework you have been working on before. So it's going to give you, it gives you option for different type of styling here. And also maybe you want the type of columns you want, the type of columns you want, multi-column and what have you. And also extra initialization, advanced initialization for like jQuery events. Maybe when you click on something, you want something to happen when you click on it. So that's basically what these things are for. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to be using the zero configuration here. So when you click on that, you will see this, you take it to this place. Then what we are just going to do is just like a basic copy and paste. So you just come here and now select all from here downwards. Though it's a lot, but just copy it. Do I know most of us might not have, okay, we might have a lot of table that is as much as this, but so because we want to test out what we are doing, that's why the table is long as this. So let me just copy this. So you copy it and go back to your page. Okay, let me name this data table installation. So then you paste this here, the table that you copied, you paste it. Okay, let me remove the foot that is written here, then take it off. Then now we have this. So the next thing we're going to do is to come back here again, then up. Okay, you notice we also have the JavaScript file. You are also going to go copy the JavaScript file. It has its own CSS and its JavaScript. So you are going to copy the CSS here. Just copy this and create a link upwards on our head tag here. So then you just say link So you just click link and just paste this here already. Then also we are also going to come to the JavaScript part of it. Then we are going to copy the jQuery, because I told you it's like a jQuery library. So you're just going to copy this and come to, okay, let me fold this and then paste the first link here, script source, then paste this here. Then you also copy the next one, which is the second link that is downwards here. Then you copy this also and come down, click script, and you paste it here also. Then that's that. And for the final part, which is also the um little JavaScript that you're going to add for it to finally initialize your data table. So you just copy this and come to script here and you just paste it here. So let me format my code so that to look okay. Yeah, decent. So now if I come here, you notice that I have my data table. So let's test it out. If I try to search through query, so let me use Bruno that I used the other time. Okay, well, let me use Cedric. So we have a Cedric Kelly here. So let's test out another one. Brendan Wenger. Yeah, a software engineer. So basically that's what a data table does. I hope you understand, or this video is very well much explanatory. And if you don't really understand, feel free to come to the comment section and ask questions. And please share with your friends, share with your family, and subscribe. It's helped me to continue making more videos, and that's your little way of supporting me. So please endeavor to support my channel by subscribing and inviting more people to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe again once more. Bye.